This is a short video to show how to put on a bar bumper, and here's the click bar. Let's turn it that way. Apologies for the state of the bar bumper, it's very old. So the flat piece, when the bar bumpers are new they're quite tight, but it does loosen up after a while. There. Then you just click the boots on. And then we have a Dobbs bar. This is a bit battered and worn, this bar bumper. It was very loved at one point. Okay, just make sure that the design is on the flattest part of the bar bumper rather than turning it and it looking a bit out of shape. Okay, and Ponseti bar. Same again. I'm just gonna put it on. Oh, squeaky ears, apologies. And once it's on, you can move it around a bit to make sure it lies flat. And when you measure a bar bumper, you're measuring it sort of on the Ponseti bar from the inside of one clip to the other. So that's the measurement I'd need. And we have the new bar, new Ponseti bar, that one. Okay, so same again, just wrap it round. And then just reposition it, return it. There we go. So it looks pretty. There we go.